So let us continue with our discussion with the tips for effective time management. The fourth point is take a break between tasks. When doing a lot of tasks without a break, it is harder to stay focused and motivated. Allow some downtime between tasks to clear your head and refresh yourself. So how can you refresh yourself? You might consider having a nap, or you would love to go for a short walk, or you would love to go do some meditation. Next, organize yourself. Utilize your calendar for more long-term time management. Write down the deadlines for projects or for tasks that are part of completing the overall project. Think about which days might be best to dedicate your specific tasks. For example, you might need to plan a meeting to discuss cash flow on a day when you know the company CEO is available. Next, number 6, remove non-essential activities. It is important to remove excess activities or unimportant tasks. Determine what is significant and what deserves your time. If you do so, it will free up more of your time to be spent on genuinely important things. Let us now discuss some implications of poor time management. First is poor workflow. The inability to plan ahead and stick to goals means poor efficiency. Let me give you an example. If there are several important tasks to complete, an effective plan would be to complete related tasks together, or you can complete it sequentially, one after another. However, if you don't plan ahead, the result will be you could end up having to jump back and forth or backtrack in doing your work. This will lead to lots of confusion and you might end up leaving many of your tasks unfinished. So what it results? That translates to reduced efficiency and lower productivity. Next is wasted time. Poor time management results in wasted time. Like by talking to friends on social media while doing an assignment, you will be distracting yourself and moreover you will be wasting time. Loss of control. By not knowing what the next task is, you suffer from loss of control of your life. And this can contribute to higher stress level and anxiety. Poor quality of work. Poor time management typically makes the quality of your work suffer. For example, having to rush to complete tasks at the last minute usually compromises quality. So this much for time management. Thank you, students.